Hello everyone. In the last video, we introduced RK6006-C AC to DC power supply. It is the AC to DC version of RK6006, and last time I do not introduce it very detailed. So today we will show more details about it. For the accessory inside, I introduced it before, and later we will add one more menu inside. Still, there is a RK6006-C device inside, and the output cables and backup fuse. The Bluetooth board is already installed inside, so that you do not need to install it by yourself. You just need to prepare an AC power cable and insert it into this socket, and you can use it directly. If you do not watch the video before, I will introduce it again. This is the front panel, and this is RK6006-C, and this is the output terminal, positive and negative. This is the heat dissipation fan and AC power socket and the switch. This is very important. This device can accept 100 to 120 volt AC import or 200 and 240 volt max AC import. So that if you live in the US, Japan or other country which use 110 volt AC import, please put this switch to the 110 volt side. Okay, and some customers said I want to see the internal design of this case. Okay, this is C40. It is designed for customers who already have RK6006 or RK6006 BT already. Just insert it into this hole and connect the cables, and you can use it as this one. But C40 does not include the output cables. Please notice that. Okay, open the case, and you can see the input PSU is already installed, and just put this and this to the back of the RK6006. In the last video, some customers see that the fan is noisy because I already set it full output, so that you can see the fan is working loudly. And this is how the fan is working. It is controlled by the temperature of this input PSU and the temperature of the RK6006. So either one is hot, this fan will work. So that it has two working conditions. If the temperature of the RK6006, if the RK6006 temperature is higher than 45 degrees, or the output current you set is higher than 4 ampere, this fan will work. Or this PSU is hot, the fan will work too. So that if you set 5 ampere, this fan will work directly, and if you keep working for a long time and turn it off, although the temperature of the RK6006 is lower than 40 degrees and the current is already 0, but inside the input PSU is hot, this fan will still work, so that it is controlled by this PSU and the RK6006 together. Under low voltage and current condition, as long as you use it lower than 4 ampere and it is not hot inside, this fan is very quiet. I can show you later. And in this video, you do not know its size. And if you already have our RD series power supply, okay, this is the RD6012 ampere version. All the RD series power supply has the same size, so that I use this to compare this. Okay, this is the comparison between the front panel, you can see here, and okay. Okay, for the weight, this whole device together with that package and the output cables together, the whole weight is about 1.3 kilogram. And for the RD6006 whole set, the total weight is about 2.8 kilogram. So that now I show the output with the fan. Under low current, it will not work unless the internal power supply is hot. Okay, turn on the output. Under 1 ampere, it does not work, and the internal temperature does not reach 45 degrees, so the RK6006 will not let it work. And we continue to increase the current. 2 ampere still not reach the working condition for RK6006. Still quiet. Okay. Now it reaches the condition of RK6006, 4 ampere or 45 degrees, so that the fan will work. And if I lower down the current, if the internal temperature is still high, the fan will not stop immediately. Only when internal temperature is cool and the RK6006 does not let the fan work, the fan will stop. So that under low current, if you just use low voltage or low current, this device will be quiet. Okay, thank you for watching.